Hello everybody, I just came back from Smith's and I got this cabbage, 2 bags of carrots. I got, hi mama, what are you doing? I got these celery, sorry, kind of tired. This huge bag of potatoes, 2 of the sour creams, 2 of the beef sausages. I got this mint with limes because I'm gonna make mint lemonade. And then I got 3, I think there's 3. I got 3 of the beets. Got 2 of this whole bag of tomatoes and prosciutto, of course I like for our sandwiches. Besides this, but all of this cost me, actually, let me make this and this. So all of this cost me $35 at Smith's. Plus I got this for like, I think $4. The mint and the red beets. So I got the red beets and the mint for $4. So yeah, $34 for this whole thing. And the reason why I got this whole thing is because I'm gonna make borscht. Russian soup or Ukrainian soup, I don't know, but I am excited to make it. So my sister's coming and she's gonna be helping me with making this borscht and this whole pot. Look how big it is. Yeah, I'm gonna make that with a whole pot Russian soup. And so my sister, my mom, my other sister with her boyfriend, my little brother, and Jose's family are gonna come downstairs and eat the Russian soup that we're gonna make. So exciting. Yay! Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Christina. And this is my sister Elena.
Hey, this is my cooking channel. Hello guys. Today I brought my sister. Actually, she's visiting us from Las Vegas.
Yes.
And so she's gonna help me to do borscht soup.
Yeah, it'll have all kinds of veggies and potatoes and
It's a delicious,
yummy,
healthy food. You can make it as a vegetable borscht, or you can add meat with the veggies and stuff. So
today we're adding sausage.
Yes, we're gonna add some sausage. But right now we're gonna peel the potatoes and cut them up in cubes. That's our first thing we're gonna do. So
we shall see you on the other side.
No, not yet.
Oh, I was gonna do that.
Okay, we're finished cutting the potatoes. Hopefully this is enough. And we're gonna start cutting them in like cubes. I'm gonna cut them in cubes. First you can cut like potato in half. Like this. Like that, you see?
Chow chow.
Cool, and then we'll put them in here. Yeah. That's the next step. So I think we're gonna cut everything in like cubes. Are you trying to compete with me?
Maybe. Eat low.
I don't care. You got a bigger knife. You can cut more. I had to cut like
And done. I shall.
So it looks like this. Okay, next we're gonna cut celery, we're gonna cut red beets and carrots. So now we're gonna cut the carrots. She's gonna cut the carrots. Put it all together. Celery, carrots, potatoes. Now we're gonna cut onions and beets. So beets, you just have to wash your hands. I know it gets like really, don't get in your clothes. It's not good. And like the other ones, we're gonna cut it in cubes as well. Everything in cubes. Now we're gonna cut tomatoes last. And while she cuts the tomatoes, I'll add water to the big pot so we can start boiling the water. And later we're gonna add all the hard ingredients. So this is everything that will go in the borscht soup. So, yeah, exciting. So she's adding more of the chicken broth. We added some salt. Are you doing some spells? Ooh.
Perfecto.
Yeah, you mix that. Cool. Thank you for the demonstration.
My pleasure.
We're gonna taste this broth. Make sure it's the flavor that we want. Mmm.
Oh. Perfecto.
That's good. Good job. We just added this broth. She likes the broth, so I'm just gonna eat
Yummy.
the broth. This is gonna be hard. I don't want to splash.
Shoot. Okay, do this because it helps. Like,
I know. Or I can do it there.
yeah, fill it and then just.
Yeah. I know. I was like, I don't know. I usually just put it in before it boils.
Yeah, that's what I usually do too.
It's gonna take a while.
And she's posing as my girlfriend.
Do you have a bigger one? Or like this? Or...
Oh yeah. Mm.
While you do that, I'll do this.
Really?
It's already turning red.
Very exciting. See, it's not that big a deal. It is. She is hot. Jeepers. I go to the grocery store. Oh, yeah. 1.4. Ugly building.
So the potatoes and all the hard veggies are ready and they're soft. So now we're gonna add the cabbage and all the soft stuff.
Onions and tomatoes.
We're gonna add the cabbage and put because everything else is soft.
Are these all tomatoes?
Yeah, all tomatoes. And I think there's a little bit of cabbage in there. I don't know. Yeah. They go last because they are the softest and they can cook faster.
Yeah, it's a big pot.
Yeah. Cool. Looks good. Oh, let's see. Should go like this so I can see. Yeah. I start cooking the sausages because same time they'll be done. So yeah. Put it high. Oh wait, wrong one. Okay. Ready to go.
You got a lot in like Russian cuisine, huh?
I should have got more beef.
It's so weird because they're so cheap in Russia, but here they're like pretty expensive for like a bunch.
I think if they go during this cold too, right? That's why they're abundant there.
Yeah.
This is how you make the borscht, and thank you so much for helping me, sis. She did a really great job.
And then don't forget to top it off with sour cream and some dill weed.
Yes, as your topping, it tastes so amazing.
Adds a lot of flavor.
Yeah. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you know how to cook borscht. It's not that hard. It's just vegetables.
And don't forget to like and comment on the video.
And subscribe. And then we can do that thing.
You gotta do that.